Thank you so much. And now performing a band named Tukar Band sa Bayog. A round of applause, everyone. Give them a warm welcome.
Good evening, everyone. We are, formerly, ang ngalan sa among band is Mitochondria. Mitochondria? Ano mo sa mitochondria? Yeah, the powerhouse of the cell. That was way back. Students pa may pero karon kay himo na lang na magtukar dulog sa baby. Okay, we're playing original compositions. And this one is for you. By the way, I'm Nilani Ortega, Tony Lumbo, and Ronald Salazar. This is our first song. It's called Thank You, Sorry, Goodbye. Thank you. And now for the second song. This one is entitled Amiga. Another original composition. Pilipino ang ilang istorya, nangangabi sa gawas, dili pasabot nga kami na Bisaya, nagseloso kabalaka.
Ako ba? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So, sa iyo, amiga ra o migara?